Hi, this is Steve Grady, VP Customer Solutions at Infinite Graphics. I'd like to take a couple minutes today and talk about IGI's exciting NanoSculpt 3D solution set, where we do nano and micro 3D patterns and structures using advanced lithography techniques. So let's go into the presentation and take a look at the capabilities. So why are we using 3D nano and micro structures? Well, they can be used in many interesting ways. Used as new surface textures for anti-reflective coatings, self-cleaning coatings, or self-sticking coatings, antibacterial surfaces, and or decorative surfaces. A lot of nano microstructures are used in micro-optics for micro-lens arrays, micromirrors, gratings, or light diffusers. They're often used in security applications for holograms and anti-counterfeiting applications and brand identity protection. You can use these kind of structures in microfluidics for lab-on-chip, for instance, or microtext or microimprinting. So there's many different applications, and we'd like to talk to you about your particular unique application. Infinite Graphics is an ideal company to work with on your nano or micro structure project, because we have a services focus. For over 46 years, we have a history of helping thousands of companies, both large and small, successfully realize their unique requirements using our precision imaging engineering solutions. So we can bring our significant technical and manufacturing abilities to bear on your unique project. You can see here, these are the 5 key core areas of the company, and one of the cornerstones of our offerings is the 3D structures. IGI is working with customers in many different markets, industries, and applications, and you can see several of them listed here. We've especially done some interesting 3D structures in the optical, medical, and security areas. We'd like to hear more about your application. Here we have some examples of the NanoSculpt 3D solutions being applied to different structures. In the upper left-hand corner, you can see we have a cone and needlepoint design that is used in a medical application. To the right there, we have micro lens arrays. And one of the intriguing capabilities of NanoSculpt is 100% fill on those lenses. Down in the lower left, a random diffuser, and again you can see that the shapes are indeed random, which is difficult to do, but the NanoSculpt solution set can be used to create these kind of structures. And lastly, we have various kinds of tall 40 micron posts with various aspect ratios. This table is taken out of the NanoSculpt datasheet, and I encourage you to download that from IGI.com. There's a couple of key takeaways here, though, concerning the microstructures column and the nanostructures column. You can see the various feature sizes along with the patterned area size. And one of the key capabilities of IGI is the ability to do large patterned surface areas. So if you have a design that requires this kind of size pattern area, we really look forward to talking about your particular application. Here we have some additional examples of micro lens arrays. To the left, you can see that micro lens array has a pitch of 100 microns and height of 25 microns. In the center, the pitch is 200 microns, the height 20 microns, and over on the right, pitch of 100 microns with a height of 50 microns. So we can build all sorts of different configurations, both spherical and aspherical in nature. Here we show some different micro patterns. Over to the left we have a blazed pattern where the pitch is 5 microns and the height is 1 micron. And to the right, various kinds of honeycomb or square shapes. Pitches ranging from 1 micron to 3 micron to 1.7 micron. So IGI has capabilities to make various different kinds of shapes, and again, we want to talk to you about your particular application. One last set of examples showing nanoscale patterns. Over on the left, you can see the wire grid examples with a width of 50 nanometers, a pitch of 100 nanometers, and the height of 130 nanometers. And then over to the right, we show variable pitch and isolated patterns. So again, you can see you have a wide range of design options. You can consider IGI as your nano microstructure foundry. We do photoresist masters for shim manufacturing. We also do multi-density photomasks and continuous tone masks. We can also image directly to your substrates. Often the reason for making these nano and microstructures are to replicate them, and for that you'll need a shim or a mold. And IGI supports shims and molds on flat surfaces, curved surfaces, whether it's on the inside or the outside, injection molding, or stamping. This photo shows an example of a large nickel shim we manufactured for a customer. This will be used to make either other shims or can be used in the replicator directly. So you have many options with how to create your nickel shims on various sizes up to almost 1 meter by 1 meter. So to summarize this NanoSculpt presentation, we help our customers create innovative 3D patterns and structures by utilizing our precision imaging, lithography, and software capabilities in innovative ways. Collaboration with you is key though, from the product concept stage through prototype design to volume manufacturing. We'd like to talk to you about your 3D application, so contact us now using our contact form on IGI.com or call the number below. We look forward to speaking with you soon. Thanks.